Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Nexo.com exchange platform of cryptocurrencies. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you can go ahead and sign up on your iPhone or Android through Google Play Store or App Store. Just go ahead and click right there on desktop version if you want to, and you will be redirected to this page. So you can sign up either through your phone or through here. So you're going to enter your email and password and create an account. Now you will need to go ahead and verify your email through the confirmation link. Now once it was verified, here it is. You're now signed up with Nexo. If you want to go ahead and add a payment method, just go ahead, click on your profile, and there's account management. So go ahead, click right there. Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and set up a two-factor authenticator right there and enable it, and also enable the email code via email when you use to log into your Nexo account. This is because you want to go ahead and set up a good security for your account. Now, another thing, you want to click on your profile, and right there, once you will have email verification, you will need to go ahead and submit your personal information and also identity verification. So make sure you start this verification here and set up your account. You will see all of your limits here. And after that, here in settings, you can go ahead and change the display currency. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you will have once you will do a identification verification, you will be able to swap, buy, sell in crypto, and make transactions. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.